When hand stitching these patches, I like to use a double strand of sewing thread. It makes the charming hand stitches more visible. Here's how I knot my end. Wrap once around your pointer finger, using your thumb, roll up and down, then pinch between your middle finger and your thumb and slide down. Sometimes this takes a couple tries. When sewing with a double strand, it is more likely to get tangled. Run your thread over a cheap candle or dry bar soap to lubricate it so your stitching goes smoother. Right, so if you didn't like that knot I showed you earlier, here's an alternative. Go to the back of your work, take a stitch, and leave a little tiny tail. Then take several more stitches right on top of that one. This should barely be visible from the front, but will secure your thread to the back. Now you're ready to start stitching.